you're doing spring cleaning right now and you just found out that your furniture is full of pollen, mold, and mildew, you should check this furniture cover that I bought on Amazon. This is waterproof, is UV resistant, and it will prevent your furniture from damage from the weather, damage for animals, and buildup of mold and mildew. So this is wonderful, and it's gonna keep your furniture safe and makes your spring cleaning a lot easier. It has straps on the sides and also has straps on the bottom that you make sure the cover is gonna stay still. So I really love the color. It's have a neutral color that matches with everything. Does not fade away. So this is very nice. Comes with different sizes that you can choose from, not to just cover your small chairs, but your large chairs. And this covers that from WJ Dancing Garden Collection. And if you don't find the size that you need for your furniture, you can give WJX3 a call and they are gonna have a custom made for you. If you wanna give it a try, I highly recommend it to you.